Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we share decoration ideas. Today we are bringing you over 80 easy, modern wooden wall shelf ideas that are simple, stylish, and perfect for any room. Whether you need extra storage or a unique way to display your favorite items, these shelf designs are beginner friendly and will give your space a fresh, modern touch. So let's dive into these great ideas. First up, you can create floating shelves using wooden planks mounted on hidden brackets. This gives your shelves a clean, minimalist look without visible supports, perfect for small spaces or a clutter-free design. You can use natural wood or paint the shelves to match your decor. Another idea is making hexagon-shaped shelves. Cut wooden planks into hexagons and arrange them on your wall like honeycombs. This style adds a fun geometrical pattern to your walls and works well in living rooms or bedrooms. So for a simple but stylish look, try ladder style shelves. These involve mounting shelves in a pattern that resembles the rugs of a ladder. They are perfect for narrow spaces and great for displaying items like book, plants, or towel in a bathroom. If you want a bit of artistic flair, asymmetrical shelves could be the answer. Build shelves or different sizes and mount them at various heights for a modern, easy design. These are great for showcasing decorative items, books, or plant. Stacked book box shelves are a fun or flexible option. You can arrange wooden boxes or crates on your wall to create different configurations. This modular design lets you change the look as you wish, and it's perfect for displaying small objects or adding character to a room. For an industrial look, combine wood with metal pipes. Use the pipes as support for wooden shelves to create a sturdy modern design. This style is great in kitchens, home offices, or loft spaces, adding a cool urban vibe. So if you prefer a rustic touch, try using reclaimed wood planks for a simple wall-mounted shelves. The natural imperfections of the wood give you space a cozy lived-in feel while still being modern and functional. Zigzag shelves are a fun and creative design choice. Cut wooden boards into angel-shaped and mount them in a zigzag pattern across your wall. This adds visual interest and works especially well in kids' room or play areas. For a more advanced project, you can build floating shelves with built-in LED lights. Live edge shelves are a great way to bring nature indoors. Use wooden planks that still have the natural edge of the tree on one side. These shelves offer a unique look that combines modern design with the raw beauty of wood. If you like a boho look, hanging rope shelves are a great option. Use ropes to hang wooden shelves from hooks in the wall. Multi-layer shelves involve stacking shelves of different heights or sizes on top of each other. This adds depth to your wall and gives you plenty of space to display items. Suspended wood shelves hung from the ceiling with cables or straps offer a modern and creative way to display items. These shelves look like they are floating in the air and work well in the modern spaces. Finally, a vertical wall shelf grid is a modern and organized way to display items. Create a grid with wooden planks and add shelves at different levels for a dynamic storage solution. These die wooden wall shelf ideas are all about combining style and practicality. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced dyer, you can easily tackle these projects to upgrade your home. Thanks for watching and happy decorating. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.